Lot of things have changed when it comes to upskilling AWS. 2 years back, 3 years back, if someone wants to upskill in AWS, all they want to do is just in terms of like log into console, get a free tier account, and then do a click and then get it done. So in current world, we call it as click ops. But as the organization got matured and most of the top companies, they already adopted the DevOps practices, infra as code, and then with the race of AI, the things gets more challenging. So how can you adapt yourself? So one hidden gem, which is an open source and managed by AWS, is the GitHub repository. As you could see, if you go to the github.com and then search for the repository name or the profile name AWS Labs, so this is where they maintain all the samples or the code samples, whichever they use. Either it can be used in the workshop.aws website, where they list samples of services, how to go step by step guide, or any even internal part. We could see that the more samples, for example, if someone you are trying to upskill yourself in agentic AI, for example, then you come here, just search with the keyword agent, then you could see all the samples in terms of how it's been made. So if any fresher who are trying to do it, there are a lot of things to go through. One, it's not just the samples you get, but also the coding standards you can observe from them, the way how the readme has been written, and how they make those the architectural diagram being represented. What are the key characters to be considered in terms of representing a diagram, representing a user guide, and how well it's been getting documented for an open source forum. And being it's open source, you can also consider to develop your side project, keeping this as a baseline, and then start contributing towards to build your own portfolio. So if you're looking for something to build in AWS, and if you don't know where to start, maybe this repo can be an kickstarter for you. Let me know what you're currently building now. Would love to hear from you. Cheers.